Do you want to get Instagram new notes feature? Does Instagram notes feature not showing after update? Instagram notes allows you to leave short text messages for your friends. However, some Instagram users have reported that the notes option disappeared or not showing on the direct message page. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram notes feature not showing and how to get notes on Instagram direct message page. So, let us start. If the Instagram notes feature is missing from your account, try the following steps. Step 1. Update Instagram. The easiest solution for Instagram notes not showing is updating the Instagram app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. If you can see the update option next to the Instagram app, click on it to install the latest version of the app. Then, open the Instagram app and click the messages icon and check if the note bubble is appearing. If this doesn't work for you, try the next steps. Step 2. Turn on activity status. You can turn on the activity status to fix Instagram notes not working. Click on the profile icon. Click 3 lines menu. Choose Settings and Privacy. Then Messages and Story Replies. Tap Show Activity Status. Enable the Show Activity Status option. Go to your chat list and refresh that page, then see if the Notes option is showing. If the Notes feature is still missing from your Instagram account, then try the next step. Step 3. Switch to a professional account. Switching to a professional account on Instagram can fix many problems with this app. Tap on your profile picture icon. Click the 3 lines menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. Then switch Professional Account. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your professional account. Next, check if the Notes option shows up. If yes, repeat the above steps to go back to the personal account on Instagram and check the Notes feature again. I hope this video will help you to solve the problem of Instagram notes not showing up. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.